Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Microsoft Certified Azure Technology, AZ-303. Module 5, Implement and Manage Data Platforms. Introduction. Data platforms are integral to modern data-driven organizations, providing the infrastructure needed to collect, store, process, and analyze data. Implementing and managing these platforms requires a strategic approach to ensure scalability, security, and performance. This module covers key concepts, best practices, and tools for effectively implementing and managing data platforms. Key concepts. 1. Data platform architecture. A. Components, data ingestion, storage, processing, analytics, and visualization. B. Architectural styles, on-premises, cloud-based, hybrid, and multi-cloud. 2. Data storage solutions. A. Databases, relational, SQL, and non-relational, NoSQL. B. Data lakes, centralized repositories for structured and unstructured data. C. Data warehouses, optimized for analytical querying and reporting. 3. Data processing frameworks. A. Batch processing, processing large volumes of data at scheduled intervals. B. Stream processing, real-time processing of data streams. 4. Data integration and ETL/ELT. A. ETL, extract, transform, load traditional method for data integration. B. ELT, extract, load, transform modern approach leveraging the power of data warehouses. 5. Data governance and security. Data governance, policies and procedures to manage data availability, usability, integrity, and security. Data security, encryption, access controls, and compliance with regulations, GDPR, HIPAA, etc. Implementing data platforms. 1. Choosing the right platform. A. Assessment of requirements, analyze the specific needs of your organization. B. Platform evaluation, consider factors such as scalability, cost, performance, and ecosystem support. 2. Setting up data ingestion. A. Data sources, identify and connect various data sources, databases, APIs, files. B. Ingestion tools, use tools like Apache Kafka, AWS Glue, or Azure Data Factory. 3. Configuring data storage. A. Database setup, choose between SQL and NoSQL based on data type and access patterns. B. Data lake implementation, use services like AWS S3, Azure Data Lake Storage. C. Data warehouse configuration, set up using Redshift, BigQuery, or Snowflake. 4. Data processing implementation. A. Batch processing, use frameworks like Apache Hadoop or Apache Spark. B. Stream processing, implement with Apache Flink, Apache Storm, or cloud services like AWS Kinesis. 5. Data integration, ETL/ELT. A. ETL tools, Informatica, Talend, or Pentaho. B. ELT tools, DBT, Data Build Tool, Apache NiFi. Managing data platforms. 1. Monitoring and maintenance. A. Monitoring tools, Prometheus, Grafana, AWS CloudWatch, Azure Monitor. B. Performance tuning, regularly optimize queries, indexing, and storage configurations. 2. Scaling and performance optimization. A. Auto-scaling, use cloud-native solutions to automatically scale resources. B. Load balancing, distribute workloads evenly across resources. 3. Data backup and recovery. A. Backup strategies, regular backups, point-in-time recovery. B. Disaster recovery, ensure data redundancy and recovery plans. 4. Security and compliance. A. Access controls, implement role-based access control, RBAC, and identity management. B. Data encryption, encrypt data at rest and in transit. C. Compliance audits, regularly audit for compliance with regulations. Best practices. 1. Adopt a modular approach, design data platforms with modular components to ensure flexibility and scalability. 2. Leverage automation, use automation tools for deployment, monitoring, and maintenance to reduce manual effort. 3. Implement robust security measures, prioritize security to protect sensitive data and comply with regulations. 4. Ensure data quality, implement data validation and cleansing processes to maintain high data quality. 5. Continuous learning and adaptation, stay updated with the latest trends and technologies in data platforms. Tools and technologies. 1. Cloud platforms, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. 2. Data integration, Apache Kafka, AWS Glue, Azure Data Factory. 3. Data storage, Amazon S3, Google Cloud Storage, Snowflake, Redshift, BigQuery. 4. Data processing, Apache Spark, Apache Flink. 5. Monitoring and management, Prometheus, Grafana, CloudWatch, Azure Monitor. 6. Security, AWS IAM, Azure Active Directory, encryption tools.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.